Hello everyone, welcome back to Science YouTube channel. So in this video we will be discussing the Weibull distribution. So what is a Weibull distribution? If a continuous random variable x is said to follow Weibull distribution with parameters of alpha beta greater than 0, it would be only possible if the random variable y would be equal to alpha x to the power beta, would follow a exponential distribution with density function of fy whole y is equals to e to the power minus y is greater than 0. Density function of the Weibull distribution is its probability density function is given as fx of the variable x is equal to e to the power minus y alpha beta into x to the power beta minus 1, which becomes equal to alpha into beta into x to the power beta minus 1 into e to the power minus alpha x to the power beta, where x is greater than 0 and since y was greater than 0. There's a thing to note that if beta is equals to 1, then Weibull distribution would turn into exponential distribution with parameter as alpha. Mean of the Weibull distribution is equal to alpha to the power minus 1 by beta and gamma of 1 by beta plus 1. And variance of Weibull distribution is equals to alpha to the power minus 2 by beta and gamma of 2 by beta plus 1 minus whole gamma of 1 by beta plus 1 square, and this would be subtracted from this, and this whole multiplied with alpha into alpha to the power minus 2 by beta. Now let us solve an example. In an example, it has been given that if the life x is a random variable, of a certain type of car has a Weibull distribution with parameter beta equals to 2, then find the value of alpha, given that the probability that the life of car exceeds 5 years is e to the power minus 0.25. For these values of alpha and beta, find the mean and the variance. So it has been given that probability of x greater than 5 is equal to e to the power minus 0.25. So all we need to do is equate the values using the probability density function. When we put the value of this in the function, here this is the probability density function. So when we put the values of probability of x greater than 5, we get it as e to the power minus 25 alpha. When we equate it with the given value, that was e to the power minus 0.25, we get alpha as 1 by 100. Putting that, we get mean. We calculate the mean, which is 5 into root over of pi, and variance, which is 100 into 1 minus pi by 4. We have simply put the values in the formula which was provided before. We know that gamma of n plus 1 is equals to n into gamma of n if it's a fraction, and gamma of half is equals to root over of pi. As an exercise, you can solve this question where it has been said that each of the 6 tubes of radio set has a life length in years, which may be considered as a random variable that follows the Weibull distribution with alpha equals to 25 and beta equals to 2. Now, if these tubes function independently of one another, then what is the probability that no tube will have to be replaced in the first 2 months of services? So basically, you have been given with alpha and beta, and all you have to do is find the probability that no tube will be replaced in first 2 months of services. Thank you.